Hey, you cool cats and kittens.
We got Carol Baskin over here. So this room, really?
The nursery is complete and ready for our angel to arrive. It took a lot of work, a lot of DIY, but we love where we ended up.
And it's come a long way. I mean, when we started, this was just a big blank room devoid of any personality. And now look at it. We've got green walls, people. What?
So one of the major projects we took on here was we added chair rail and
Picture frame molding.
picture frame
Always
molding.
forgets what it's called.
It's a lot of work.
It looks like a picture frame.
Yeah, okay. You know what? I think I get it now.
And then we painted that chair rail sage green to match the built-ins, and we did a blush taupey color up top. So pretty. So pretty.
I love it. It's everything I want a nursery to be. It's calm, traditional, but it has so much activity.
We decided to go with furniture from Creighton Kids because their quality can't be beat. And we know that these are pieces that are gonna last forever and be able to grow with our baby girl.
My favorite piece in the room, and it's not because I picked it out,
He did pick it out.
is the crib. It's stunning. The brass legs, I love the traditional part of it, and then we're gonna be able to use it as she grows old with it as well.
Yes, we got the toddler rail for the crib, so it's one day gonna turn into a big girl bed. The glider is, I can't wait to just spend hours rocking her. I've already spent lots of time sitting in the chair, rocking back and forth. It's so comfortable, and I've got my little velvet poop so I can put my feet up. I feel like a queen in that chair.
I love the dresser too. I really love the functionality of the top drawers. I think I'm a very organized person. I need to know where things are, which is not good for what's coming. But to have so many drawers and so many small compartments is really helpful when trying to change a baby and hold two legs in the air.
The rug is a Turkish rug that is 50 years old. It's so beautiful. It has all of the colors of the room. It's really gonna hide dirt, which will be very helpful with a child. But I love that on the ground we have this vintage piece, and then we have new high quality furniture from Creighton Kids, and it really just works well together.
We had actually gone through and found some of our old books when we were kids, and they actually have messages to us from our parents and our aunts and uncles, things like that, and it actually inspired us to do the same for her, and I think they'll be sweet to read. So if you wrote something weird, I'm gonna find you. Talking about you, Aunt Katie.
We don't have an Aunt Katie, don't worry. So the closet was completely empty when we started this room, and I added wallpaper in there. That's rose gold, and then Finn helped me build that actual closet, so we have some storage in there.
Just seeing these little dresses, it's an amazing thing to think about her opening it and pulling out one of them. Just visualizing the actual use of all these things is what really brings us joy.
Incorporating some family history was also really important to us. So I actually have a watercolor painting that my great-grandmother painted.
I have an old bird toy. It's gonna sound weird, but it's one of these things that kind of like rocks. Well, either way, she put it on the top shelf to hide it, but I'll get it lower
I did
over
not
time.
hide it. But I like that it's up there. It's cool to be able to have a little bit of Finn's past and my past on these built-in shelves. It took a few months of hard work, but the nursery is now complete, and now we just wait for her arrival.
I can't wait to bring her in here, lay her in that crib, and just watch her grow up.